welcome back to my channel. My name is TammyKikoy and we will be doing another 4th Impact reaction video. Today we will be reacting to 4th Impact cover Swalla. Swalla la la, like that. So without any further ado, let's go and watch the video. Swalla la la.
Drink.
Young money, young money, young money.
Love in 1,000 different flavors. I wish that I could taste them all night. No, I ain't got no dinner plans, so you should bring all your friends. I swear that to all of y'all my type. All you girls in here, if you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Drink.
Swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Freaky, freaky, yeah. My freaky, freaky.
Girl, na swallow nothing. Word to the Dalai Lama, he know I'm a fashion killer. Word to Jangali, I know he cupping that Valentino. Ain't no telling me no, I'm that bitch and he know. How your wife in these thoughts, you don't get wins for that. I'm having another good year, we don't get blimps for that. That's the gang still call, we don't get minks for that. When I'm popping them bananas, we don't link chimps for that. I gave these bitches 2 years, now your time's up. Bless her heart, she throwing shots, but every line sucks. I'm in that cherry red foreign with the brown guts. My shit slapping like dude did LeBron nuts.
If you're feeling thirsty, come on, take a sip, 'cause you know what I'm serving. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah. Drink, swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Swalla la la. Shimmy, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah, shimmy, yeah.
Drink.
Swalla la la. Drink, swalla la la. Come on.
Young money.
DAvao.
I really thought that they all be singing the Swalla, but they dance. Well, I forgot to tell you guys that 4th Impact is also good in dancing. They're actually a total performer. They can sing, they can dance. So based on their X Factor journey, they sing and dance. They have a great vocal and they have a swag and dancing, especially Irene. Yeah, she's a good dancer. Anyways, yeah, very good steps, and I like the choreography, I like the costumes, and I like the way they dance. Very professional. The bloopers though, very funny. That's it. So if you have any more 4th Impact video you want me to react, just drop a comment down below. And if you like this video, please press the like button, and if you want to share it, then share it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Bye for now. More 4th Impact reaction video.